Hello everyone, this is Alessandro from Ricksoft, and today I'll show you how to create advanced tables on your Confluence using Excel-like tables. Sometimes you need to use traditional spreadsheets for some particular reason, but sharing it across the organization or with external customers can get complex quickly. With Excel-like tables for Confluence, you can build full-feature spreadsheets in your Confluence pages and start quickly sharing dashboards, reports, or other business specifics with all the collaborative perks that Confluence already provides. So here's how you can do it. Here I have a Confluence page with the report for monthly supply sales for many different elements in my company. But I cannot do much about it despite seeing the numbers, and there's no number crunching that I can do. So with Excel-like tables installed, if I press / and start typing Excel on my Confluence page, there will be two new features available. One of them is to share read-only tables in case you need to, but what I'll show you today is how to build an Excel-like tables full-fledged with all the bells and whistles. So once you select the option, you'll be greeted with many different ways to create your table. You can create an empty one, you can upload from an Excel file, you can use custom templates, or use a existing Excel-like tables URL. But today I'm going to show you how you can convert Confluence tables into a spreadsheet one. So once you select the option, the application will show you all the tables available in your Confluence page. And in this page, I got one. And it will also ask you if you want to keep the Confluence table or if you want the application to remove it. In this case, for comparison reasons, I'm going to keep this table, so I can select the first option and click Create. Once I click Create, the Excel-like tables will load with all the elements that I got from my original Confluence table, allowing me to do many different things that people used to operate Excel applications already can. So for example, if I select those two columns here and go into Insert and Graphs, I can show you a pie graphic with all the categories that I sold by percentage. And of course, I can edit for more information if I need to by just right-clicking and selecting some features. So once my job is done, I can see that on the top it says that the application is already saved the change that I made, and I can go back to the Confluence page. And magically, my Excel table will be displayed along with the other elements in my Confluence page. This will also allow me to edit the page again, copy a link to this table so I can share with people across my organizations or with everyone that has access to the Confluence instance. Or even if I want to download this table and open in another spreadsheet application, I can just do so by downloading the file that the application has generated, just as you would in a normal desktop applications. So to find out more, search for Excel-like in the Atlassian Marketplace.